The basic trigonometry, the learning of the basic formula of the trigonometry is very important and helpful to solve the problems related to the trigonometry in the 10th class mathematics examination. So let's see. To understand the basic trigonometry, these formulas are very important. First of all, understand what is the trigonometric ratio. The ratio of the sides of the right angle triangle, just like the P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, is known as the sin theta. Similarly, the base upon hypotenuse, cos theta, and so on. These are the basic ratios of trigonometry, and the formula of them in terms of the sides of the right angle triangle can be learned by this basic formula P upon HSV. Pandit Prati Prasad Haranwade. This is sin P upon H, cos B upon H, and tan P upon B. Similarly, just opposite of it. Okay, so this is the helpful formula to learn the basic formula of the trigonometric ratio in terms of the sides. And the Pythagoras theorem, this should be learned. And to learn the order of them is sin, cos, tan, cos, cot, sec, cosec. This is the sequence of them. And now another basic required to know how to find out the values of trigonometric ratio, how to make the table. So start from counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide each one by 4 and take ratio. And the first solution will provide you the sin theta, sin 0, 0, sin 30 degree half, sin 45 1 upon root 2, and so on. And reversing this sequence, you will get the value of cos. Value the sin divided by the value of cos, you can get the tan, and reverse of it cot, and reciprocal of the cos will give you the sec, and reciprocal of the sin will give you the cosec. These are the interrelations of the trigonometric ratios, just like the tan in terms of sin cos, cot in terms of cos sin, similarly, and so on. And these are the three basic identities: sin square plus cos square equals to 1, similarly sec square and tan square equals to 1. So many identities can be prepared by transposition of the different trigonometric ratio using these identities. And now question is that how to prove the identities. So simple way, break the given LHS left hand side or right hand side in terms of sin cos, and then take LCM and apply identities, suitable identities, or rationalize. Sometimes we have to use the rationalize. You can understand in my further videos how to solve that. And another question related to the height and distance. So to solve the height and distance, we have to use this sequence. Press firstly the diagram and find out which is the unknown side, which is the known side, and find the which ratio will be applicable. First, just like the if perpendicular is given, hypotenuse is asked to use the sin. Similarly, hypotenuse given, base is asked to use cos. But the most utilizable formula is the tan theta, that is the P upon B. So I think this video very helpful for you. So please memorize these formulas.